In this video you will learn how to add a carousel to your WordPress. You can use it to create product carousel. Or post carousel. The carousel will automatically update itself when you add new posts or new products to your WordPress. All elements of this carousel are customizable. For example, I increased the number of blocks of this carousel from 4 to 6. This carousel is responsive, and the number of blocks will change according to the user's screen size. Let's create a post carousel. Go to the link in the description. Copy this PHP code. By clicking on the copy button, this code will be copied. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Theme File Editor, and open the functions.php file. As you can see, I am using the Bloxy child theme. You must create a child theme before making any changes to functions.php. Otherwise, the applied changes will be lost after each update. Watch video number 1 on the channel to learn how to make a child theme. Paste the code into the functions.php and update the file. Now I create a new page. And I write a title for it. I add a query loop block. Here I click on Start Blank and choose one of the variations. I choose Grid View instead of List. In the settings of this block, I set items per page to 10 and max page to show to 1. The important thing is to have at least 10 slides, and the query loop block does not create pagination. Here you can choose the category of the posts you want to display. You can customize every element of this block. For example, here I select the feature image and toggle on the link to post option. I select the publication date of the post and select the align text center option. The title is too big, I'll make it smaller. You can add other elements to each block, such as post excerpt or post author. I do not do this for simplicity. After finishing the customization, select Query Loop and assign the two classes carousel and post to it. In the last step, add a block of shortcode. Let's preview the page before adding the shortcode. As you can see, the posts are displayed in separate blocks on the page. Now I add the carousel shortcode to the page. The source argument must be equal to the second class that I assigned to the query loop block, post. Let's update the page and check the result. As you can see, the post carousel is working properly. For the product carousel, I first delete all the previous blocks. You can use one of the following blocks: products by category, newest products, featured product, hand-picked products, best-selling products, products by tag, on-sale products, products by attribute, top-rated products. I add a products by category block. Select the categories you want to display in the carousel. We need at least 10 products to make the carousel. In the block settings, change the number of columns to 6 and the rows to 2. You can enable or disable any of the elements of this block. After finishing the customization, assign the two classes carousel and product to it. I will update the page and see the changes. Products are displayed as separate blocks. Now we need to add the shortcode to the page. As before, I add a carousel shortcode. I set the source argument to the product and set the number of blocks in each view to 5. As you can see, the product carousel is working properly. That's it. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.